Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by acting fast. Close Riot and end Riot/Vanguard processes. Then uninstall Riot Vanguard from programs and features. This removes the corrupted driver state. Once done, reboot Windows and make sure updates applied, because kernel drivers require current system components. After reboot, right-click the Riot client and choose Run as administrator. That forces the client to install Vanguard with proper permissions and driver signing. This is the only way to restart the whole chain cleanly and avoid permission mismatches. Now clean the driver state so the fresh install isn't blocked by remnants. Open an elevated command prompt and stop the VGC service. If it persists, delete the service entry so Windows forgets the broken driver. Next, remove Riot Vanguard folders from program files and program data. This clears bad files and config. Once cleaned, run the Riot client installer as administrator, accept all Windows security prompts, and let it install Vanguard. Doing this ensures the kernel driver and service register correctly with Windows. Finish by rebooting and confirming the VGC service is set to automatic and running in services. MSC. This makes Vanguard load at startup. Then launch Valorant as administrator to validate compliance. The client will report Vanguard operational if everything registered correctly. If the error still appears, run a system file check with sfc/scano to repair OS integrity and inspect Event Viewer for driver installation errors. One key troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, capture the exact Event Viewer error.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.